As card issuers offer new card offers and promotions, the top credit cards available on the market fluctuate over time. For that reason, we put together this list, which is updated frequently. Find out which credit card categories, including travel, cash, back, 0%, APR, and other credit card categories, are now the most promising here. Number 1. Chase Freedom Unlimited. With an annual fee, the Chase Freedom Unlimited is a good flat-rate rewards card. Despite the 1.5% cashback lackluster appearance at first, it gains value when paired with other Chase reward cards that may be redeemed for much more. It's advised to use this card on a daily basis for both big box retail purchases and doctor copays. For cardholders who wish to maximize their daily spending, it can be a significant earner. Because there's no annual charge, applying for and maintaining the Chase Freedom Unlimited card won't cost you a dime. Because of this, maintaining the account open year after year and raising the average age of accounts is a simple decision that can raise your FICO credit score. The better your credit record is, the longer you maintain open credit card accounts. The fact that rewards on the Chase Freedom Unlimited card never expire is another advantage of having one in the long run. To ensure that you don't lose your money back, make sure your account is always in good standing. High rewards on regular purchases are available with the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card, along with extra cash back in the following categories. 5% off reservations made through Chase Unlimited Rewards travel website. 5% is available on Lyft trips until March 2025. 3% on restaurants and pharmacy purchases, 1.5% on all other items. With no annual fee, the earning structure is very impressive for a credit card. While there are a lot of credit cards available that provide additional rewards for eating, this one stands out from the others thanks to its 1.5% annual percentage rate. Consider the options. A dental clinic, a hair salon, or an auto repair shop are examples of pricier purchases that might qualify for 1.5% rewards but don't normally come under the bonus category. Furthermore, the card offers a bonus that Chase describes as unlimited match cash back. At the conclusion of your first year, Chase will automatically match all of the cash back you earn. The amount of cash back you can get is unlimited. Before you receive your money back, certain credit cards have minimum requirements that must be met. Not necessary to reach a specific numbers of rewards with the Chase Freedom Unlimited in order to exchange them for credits. When applied to a direct bank deposit, statement credit against your bill, or trip reservation made via the Chase Unlimited Rewards travel portal, each point is valued at 1 cent, regardless of how many points you wish to redeem, 1, 10, or any other amount. You are in charge of your rewards. Number 2. Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express. Families can earn a significant amount of cash back with this card. The annual charge is outrageous, but you can afford it, provided you shop at the grocery store for at least $31 a week. It's understandable why the American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card is regarded as one of the best cashback credit cards available today. Cardholders receive an incredible 6% back on annual grocery store spending up to $6,000, after which they receive 1% back and an additional 6% back on certain U.S. streaming services. In addition, they receive 3% back on purchases made at gas stations and on a transportation in the United States, and 1% back on all other purchases. Surprisingly, many benefits are offered, including protection for purchases made with your credit and shopping advantages. The main advantages of having a card are outlined in this tutorial, along with some pointers on how to get the most out of your Amex Blue Cash Preferred points. While dining and entertainment benefits aren't as strong for the Blue Cash Preferred, members do have special access to ticket pre-sales and events that are exclusively for them through American Express experiences. Accessing Broadway musicals, concerts, athletic events, and other popular events may be simpler as a result. The introductory APR offer on this card is a last advantage to be aware of. Following approval, you'll receive a 12-month introductory 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers, followed by a variable APR ranging from 19.24 to 29.99%. It may be simpler for cardholders to make significant purchases and pay it off gradually with this temporary waiver of interest cost. Among the many reasons to apply for the Blue Cash Preferred are the incredible rewards that come with it. You can receive a substantial welcome bonus and continuous rewards in addition to taking advantage of travel benefits and purchase safeguards. Furthermore, the Blue Cash Preferred is a reliable credit card with cash back. Number 3. Capital One Venture X Rewards Card. An excellent travel credit card with rich rewards rates, lounge access, and annual travel credit. And a substantial sign-up bonus is the Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. After spending $4,000 within the first 3 months of creating your account, you'll receive 75,000 bonus miles, which is equivalent to $750 towards travel. There's a substantial $395 yearly fee associated with the card. However, the premium travel benefits included with this charge may make it worthwhile to pay. With sufficient spending, the card's bonus can pay for its annual cost twice over 2 years. Whether you can take advantage of all the rich features that make the card worthwhile to hold, even with a heavy balance, is what determines whether you should get the card. Number 4. Chase Sapphire Reserve. For a good reason, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card is frequently cited as one of the greatest credit cards available for use by travelers. Its continuous partner incentives, which might total more than $1,200 in statement credits per year, make up for the $550 annual cost, which is easy to explain. Apart from the standard benefit of the high-end travel rewards credit card, like travel insurance and no foreign transaction fee, the card additionally provides statement credits for useful programs like TSA PreCheck or Global Entry and Lift Pink All Access, as well as the free Priority Pass Select Airport Lounge membership upon enrollment. The Sapphire Reserve credit card is worth, flying earns 5 points for every dollar. After the first $300 is spent on travel purchases each year, you can earn 10 points for every dollar on hotels and auto rentals booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. $1 spent on eating and other travel earns 3 points. $1 in points for every other purchases. Number 5. American Express Platinum Card. The Platinum Card from American Express would be the card of choice if the Real Housewives franchise had one. The Platinum Card from American Express, which was formerly regarded as the premium travel card, is now trying to reinvent itself as a glitzy premium lifestyle card, packed with upmarket perks for people who don't mind paying an outrageous $695 annual fee. Cardholders will receive a high travel rewards rate, 1 membership rewards point for every dollar spent on other qualifying items, 5 points for flights booked directly with airlines or through American Express Travel, up to $500,000 annual cap, and 5 points for prepaid hotel reservations made through the travel agency. While other high-end travel cards also provide substantial benefits for traveling, the Amex Platinum is packed with perks tailored to a very particular set of users. Those who live in major cities and frequently use Uber, shop at Saks Fifth Avenue, and pass through airport security to get straight to a lounge. This is a rather small segment of the market. Taking into account the $695 annual charge, you are essentially getting an upscale coupon book with the card, regardless of how elegant those statement credits are. If you pay the annual fee, you can receive reductions that, when fully utilized, may offset the cost of ownership. Number 6. Wells Fargo Reflect Card Benefits. The Wells Fargo Reflect Card offers a substantial introductory APR term on purchases and eligible balance transfers, which is likely to be appreciated by anyone looking for a balance transfer card. Give the card a miss if you don't require a lengthy introductory APR period because it doesn't provide rewards or any other noteworthy advantages. Number 7. United Club Infinite Card. Get unlimited access to United's airport lounge for less than the price of a standalone membership, along with free checked bags and a great rewards rate for United purchases. If you consider lounge access a must-have and you frequently fly in checked bags United, then this card's jumbo annual fee may be a relative bargain. Occasionally, travelers should look elsewhere, maybe even to a different United card. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and found it informative, then don't forget to hit that like button below. And if you want to stay updated with more great content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red button and just ringing the notification bell so you never miss any future content from us. Your support means the world to us.